See, DSG, this is why we hang out. You wear a one piece on an old man missile, and you're probably faster than the 600cc bros that we get. Yeah, here's the 600cc bros right here. I love those signs, man. Cyclists just don't read. In the Traffic Safety Act for Alberta, cyclists must ride to the farmost right and also in single file. What on earth is this guy doing? They had to put signs up because no cyclists, like, they ride side by side and block traffic. It's like, get off the road, get into the shoulder and stay over there, man. Little pests. Oh my god, it's perfect. It says 19 degrees, I don't believe that. Okay, that's Canadian, man. That is Canadian. I think I was recording. Yeah, I was recording. So for safety, guys, I flashed my brake light like a hazard light. So, you know, two random bikes braking on a road with no traffic lights for a long time. For safety, I was flashing my brake light with my front fingers, but that is Canadian as hell. Geese crossing. Oh man, that makes me smile. That's hilarious. Look at that brodozer. Ooh, Ferrari, nice. No, that was a I'm pretty sure it could be a 612 FF or the one that replaced the FF. I don't know. Someone in the comments will tell me exactly what it is, but that was gorgeous. That is my kind of Ferrari. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's like the GT car, you know. It's not like the super hardcore. It's still hardcore, but it's not like, you know, like 488 where you're like, you know, over the bumps. That's such a nice car. Biggest pet peeve ever, man. The light goes green and then amber and then yield and they still run it. Impatient pricks, man. Don't run the filter. It's even worse in California. Oh, you guys remember that one thing I slowed down? Oh man, I even took a pill and I'm dying. Remember that video I slowed down and I had this nasty like sneeze come out? I think we can slow that one down too and get that one. Someone told me, slow that, F you, I'm trying to eat. Oh yeah, look at that. That's fucking tasty. This got spotted. I love how I get spotted not on my bike. It's absolutely hilarious. I guess it is in a lot of videos now, and it is posted a lot on my Instagram. And I really do have the best friend in the world that lets me ride his bike. I mean, shout out to the homie Kelvin. Super will be back. 2 in a row, man! On the same row within seconds. Anyway, Super Duke will be back on the road ASAP, guys. Going into the shop next week for some video work. Super stoked about that. To rebuild the forks, so you guys get to see how that's done. And I can't wait to get back on that beast, man. I miss it. I miss the grunt of that engine. The whole 1301cc of goodness. All starter bikes should be over 1300cc, no less. They should ban 250s as starter bikes.